Hey folks, Stephen Laura with a quick one take, a little bit different because it's not on a Sunday, but we are on Royal Caribbean Freedom Sea. We got a lot coming out for you here soon. The great, we're going to talk about Brightline train down from Orlando. We're going to talk about Spirit Airlines, and then we'll talk about Royal Caribbean and all that's offered here. I just wanted to touch base with everyone, and first of all, I'll say Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope everyone has a great holiday and that you have some future travels under the tree. And if not, let us know. We'll be happy to get those for you. So lots of things coming up. Give you a quick shot of Royal Caribbean here. So this is the Solarium, which is very similar to Celebrity in that adults only 18 plus. Hot tubs on, yes, supposed to be. We do see some others here, but not too much. No kids snorkeling in the hot tub like over on the main pool deck. Now, interesting here on most of the Royal ships, the hot tubs sort of hang out over the edge of the ship, so that's kind of an interesting viewpoint. Big winds going on right now here in the Caribbean as we head down to the Dominican Republic, and it's been bobbing and weaving here a little bit, but not too bad. We're having a review of the interior cabin and what that was like first night. I don't think it's too bad. What's your thoughts? Yep. Really?
Scary dark.
Really dark. Well, we'll have a view of what that looked like. So our one take today, I think, is now that we've done a lot of travel, we went from Gatlinburg to Myrtle Beach to Orlando to Miami, all through different means of transportation. Very much planes, trains, and automobiles.
All in 2 days.
All in 2 days. Very much planes, trains, and automobiles. Do you have a secret packing method? I mean, what worked? Do you think there was a thing that worked well for you?
No, because I forgot to do things.
Okay, but
We had a cold weather suitcase and a hot weather suitcase plus a backpack to get straight to a hot tub. Yeah, it's going to take more practice. We're going to have to do it once.
Some of it came out well, okay? Like I will say that the backpack holding our onboard and stuff, that's always something that's something we always talk about. You should be doing packing your swimwear and things you need right away when you get on board of a ship. I really like my Scotty vest. Link to Scotty vest. I'll try to put it. I might not. So Scotty vest. Just Google it. They're a little pricey. I got mine on eBay, but tons of pockets that allow me to carry extra stuff on an airline like Sprint that requires a little bit more payment for different things. We did get our bag and a personal, but I had camera and power chargers and whatnot in the Scotty vest, and they don't pay attention. But I say that about Spirit, but I don't see all airlines that way these days. Everybody's charging extra. So packing tips: definitely break it up. Where are you going to be? Try to segment them. Packing cubes work great for that. Putting certain things in a packing cube and putting that into a particular bag, like your backpack that you're going to carry on pack, or your carry-on that's going to go from point A to point B. We left the 28-incher back in our car back in Myrtle Beach Airport when we go back there at the end of the week. So that has our other stuff for that. So you can divide it up, and maybe you're going to miss something here or there. But generally, those are purchasable, so you're able to do that. Let us know down in the comments. Do you have any packing tricks or tips? Do you have something you do all the time that works well for you in packing? And let us know what you think. This is here on the Royal Caribbean, Freedom of the Seas, getting more from you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you again on the upcoming episodes.
Merry Christmas.